All right, today's the day.
Today's the day we go fishing for massive bass in the Oklahoma waters.
Massive bass. Guys, today's the day. We're back. We're going fishing.
Alright guys, today's the day.
Today's the day. We haven't been fishing since like September because it's been so cold. It's 80 degrees outside. We're feeling good. We're gonna go rip some lips, baby.
To this day, when I hear that song, I see you standing there on that lawn. It's kind of...
Yep, we're back.
We're back.
We're going fishing.
We'll go down here and try to find some trout or some sand bass or some largemouth. We'll see.
Maybe some salmon too.
If there is any in there. Another day, another dollar.
All right, we're walking to our secret spot. We're gonna try to catch us some fish.
Can't put that in the video.
Yo! Look at that big puppy. All right, here we go. There's number one. That's two for Mace. All right, so a little update for you guys. Not sure if you can hear me over the water, but I've been out here for probably 30 minutes, and Mason has two fish. I have zero, so we're doing good. Looks nice out here, so good stuff.
We have about 3 that we've pulled in, 2 decent sized ones, 1 little baby one, but I don't know where things are gonna go, but I don't know. It's not terrible. It's the first day of summer. It feels like summer out here, but I think next week's about to be 30 degrees max, so for temperature wise. So we're trying to get our fill in right now. So.
Yeah, so I have zero fish. I gotta get to work. All right, well, that's all for today. Mason caught 3. I caught 0. So better luck next time. Still get the spring though. So.
Maybe we can come back in a few weeks.
Yep, for sure. All right. Deuces.